authors, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. The Putnam County Police have a confirmed child abduction that occurred at 1580 Center Street in McNabb on November 15th at 7 a.m. Noah Delhut All is a white male, 2 months old, 20 inches tall, weighs 15 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. He is wearing gray and white striped pajama shirt and bottoms. Mother reported that Noah was taken from his residence by non-custodial father in a white 2001 Chevrolet Trailblazer with Illinois license Z529020. Father, Kevin Delhut All, a white 32-year-old male with brown hair and blue eyes, who is 6 foot 4 inches tall and weighs 275 lbs, was last seen wearing a dark-colored Illinois hooded sweatshirt and dark blue jeans. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to 40 miles per hour in the evening, decreasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour after midnight. Amber Alert canceled. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. The Amber Alert issued today has been canceled. The child has been located safely.